In this video, I'm preparing a coffee using the Breville Barista Express, an all-in-one machine that makes the process really convenient. I start with fresh coffee beans and use the built-in grinder to get a fresh grind right on the spot. This helps bring out a richer aroma and flavor. Then I add the ground coffee into the portafilter and gently tamp it down to create an even surface. Once that's ready, I lock the portafilter into the machine and start the espresso extraction. You can see the coffee flowing out with a smooth, rich texture. Next, I use the steam wand to heat and froth the milk, which is perfect for drinks like lattes or cappuccinos. Finally, I combine the espresso with the milk to create a smooth and balanced coffee. If you enjoy making coffee at home and want more control over each step, this machine makes the whole process simple and enjoyable.